Torrential slide value equivalent to $9.1825 a coin. The present reach: $9.0357, $9.2802. The earlier day close: $9.0729. The change was plus 0.1096, plus 1.21%. Backwards rate: United States dollars to Avax. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2023. At the outset, cost at $9.24. Most extreme cost $11.83, least cost $8.15. The normal for the month $9.57. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $9.04, change for October 2.2%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. First and foremost, cost at $9.04. Greatest cost $9.90, least cost $7.20. The normal for the month $8.79. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $9.01, change for November 0.3%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset, cost at $9.01. Most extreme cost $9.01, least cost $7.76. The normal for the month $8.53. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $8.34, change for December 7.4%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. To start with, cost at $8.34. Greatest cost $8.34, least cost $6.52. The normal for the month $7.55. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $7.01, change for January 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2024. In the first place, cost at $7.01. Greatest cost $7.38, least cost $6.42. The normal for the month $6.93. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $6.90, change for February 1.6%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. Before all else, cost at $6.90. Most extreme cost $6.90, least cost $5.92. The normal for the month $6.52. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $6.37, change for spring 7.7%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2024. Before all else, cost at $6.37. Most extreme cost $6.37, least cost $4.98. The normal for the month $5.77. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $5.35, change for April 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. To start with, cost at $5.35. Most extreme cost $5.52, least cost $4.80. The normal for the month $5.21. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $5.16, change for May 3.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2024. First and foremost, cost at $5.16. Greatest cost $5.74, least cost $4.98. The normal for the month $5.31. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $5.36, change for June 3.9%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. In the first place, cost at $5.36. Greatest cost $5.36, least cost $4.32. The normal for the month $4.92. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $4.65, change for July 13.2%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2024. Initially, cost at $4.65. Most extreme cost $5.77, least cost $4.65. The normal for the month $5.12. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $5.39, change for August 15.9%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. In the first place, cost at $5.39. Greatest cost $5.39, least cost $4.21. The normal for the month $4.88. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.53, change for September 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2024. Initially cost at $4.53. Most extreme cost $4.53, least cost $3.54. The normal for the month $4.10. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.81, change for October 15.9%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for November 2025. Before all else cost at $2.48. Most extreme cost $2.57, least cost $2.23. The normal for the month $2.42. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $2.40, change for November 3.2%. Peruse more torrential slide cost expectation for December 2025. First and foremost cost at $2.40. Greatest cost $2.97, least cost $2.40. The normal for the month $2.64. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $2.78, change for December 15.8%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. To start with cost at $2.78. Greatest cost $3.45, least cost $2.78. The normal for the month $3.06. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $3.22, change for January 15.8%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2026. First and foremost cost at $3.22. Greatest cost $3.89, least cost $3.22. The normal for the month $3.49. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $3.64, change for February 13.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. To start with cost at $3.64. Greatest cost $3.64, least cost $2.85. The normal for the month $3.30. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $3.06, change for spring 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2026. In the first place cost at $3.06. Greatest cost $3.06, least cost $2.39. The normal for the month $2.77. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $2.57, change for April 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectation.